Couple of weeks ago, I was at a video game convention called Midwest Gaming Classics, and they had just one place that sold board games, and a board game that they had there was called Flash 8, which I'd never seen before, and it looked super cute and colorful. Also, it was on sale, so I thought, what the heck, I'll give it a try. Flash 8 is a competitive game based on the classic 15 puzzle, where you have a board that has 16 slots and 15 number squares that you can slide around in the only empty space that is available. And here you have the same, but with only 8 tokens on a 9 square grid. And these tokens are very nice, made of transparent plastic with these sort of like, I don't know how to call them, at the bottom, protuberances, I'll call them, that help them slide. And the first time you play, you place those stickers there. Everybody will get one of these boards here. See, they are frames so that the tokens slide in there. Then you will take these cards here, shuffle, 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 and you'll make piles of 10 cards per player. So as I set up the game now, they will be set up for 4 players. Then you need to make sure that all of the piles are aligned in the same way. You can't have that. And also you need to make sure that all the players have their board aligned specifically in a specific direction. The game is super simple. You're trying to create on your personal board the patterns that you see there. Nothing else. That's it. But they have to be from the perspective where you see them. So, for example, as I'm sitting right now, these 4 need to be placed in this section of my board. If I was sitting here, well, it will still be placed on that section of the board. There are the times where it works better, it's more obvious. Well, wait a second, I think it does change. Anyways, you gotta match them from where they are. So, what happens is that you will simply, everybody plays at the same time, there are no turns, you slide things around. And so, for example, I don't know right now what could be good. Maybe that one. You see what I mean? Maybe this one. So I need a blue there. Oh, there you go. A blue there. A green there. I need a yellow there. I can place the yellow there. Boom. Done. Once I have the pattern, and I think you can confirm that I have the pattern, I simply take the card and somebody goes like, that happens all the time, and that's part of the fun. At the times, you'll be the player because you were just about to do it. And that's it. You did that, you did great, and now you're gonna go for something else. Maybe. I'm trying something, but I'm getting confused because I'm talking and there's a lot of stuff going on at the same time. And yet I did it. Red to yellow and the green up there. Booyah. So that's the general idea. You will keep playing until all the decks are exhausted. Everybody frantically keeps just trying to match patterns. And once all the cards in the decks have been acquired, then you count points. Most cards will be worth a point each. Some cards that are a little tougher are worth 2 points, as indicated by those 2 stars. And the player with the higher score wins the game. So this is Flash 8. It is super simple, incredibly simple, and well, I was at the general event. It wasn't a game night, but I had games because that's what I do. I bring games when it's not a game night. And there was a person say, "Oh, I like games, but I hate learning rules." So I'm like, "Okay, how about a game has almost no rules, so I can teach it to you in 30 seconds." And with you watching this video, I took my time because I know you can take it, but I was able to explain the game in 30 seconds, definitely less than a minute, and then we could play. So you could play with children, you can play with people who don't like to learn games. It's super intuitive. Most people have seen the 15 puzzle. And so this is a competitive version of that with these super, super adorable little electrons, atoms, magical spirits. I don't know, but they look really cute. I wish I had an emoticon of some of these people, you know, like, like looking like, yay! So, It's super simple, it's super intuitive. It definitely probably doesn't have like, you know, a lot of staying power. I'm not saying that this is probably going to be the crowning jewel of your game night with your hardcore strategy gaming, but for a filler, and that's what I like about fillers, by the way, especially if you can just set them up in a couple of seconds, which you can. Give everybody a set of tokens, shuffle the cards. It is set up. You can teach in less than a minute. This makes for a really great filler, fun filler, casual game. It looks like there's also a solo mode included, but I haven't played that one. But competitively with non-gamers, I've had a great time. So I'm very happy. This was a really lucky find. Flash 8, super simple, super light, but pretty fun.